From the OBTV Live Weather Center, this is your Day Planner forecast with meteorologist Sam Riker.
Hello everyone, I'm Sam Riker. You're watching OBTVLive.com, your Day Planner forecast brought to you by Wild Birds Unlimited of South Haven. They're located at 5847 Getwell Road, Suite A8, across from the Water Tower. Relax and enjoy the birds. We're toward the end of February. February is National Bird Feeding Month. Hover over that QR code with your phone, and that'll take you straight to the website and online store of Wild Birds Unlimited of South Haven. Now let's look at your Day Planner forecast. At 8 a.m., skies should be sunny, temperature around 46 degrees, winds from the west at 5 miles an hour. By noon, sunny skies, 64 degrees. 5 p.m., 67 and mostly sunny with winds from the northwest at 5 miles per hour. I'm meteorologist Sam Riker. I hope you have a great day.